Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Semrush on page SEO checker for updates, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate the Semrush on page SEO checker for updates, start by signing into your Semrush account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. In the left sidebar, locate the projects section. Click on Create Project if you haven't set up a project yet. Input your website URL and name the project. Click on Create Project to finalize the setup. After the project is created, find the On Page SEO Checker tool within your project dashboard. Click on Page SEO Checker to open the tool's interface. In this section, you will see options for creating a new SEO idea. Select the option to add a new idea for your target page. Enter the page URL you wish to analyze. Identify the target keyword for the selected page. After entering the details, click on the Get Ideas button. The tool will start analyzing your page and provide insights on SEO performance. Review the suggestions generated by the On-Page SEO Checker. To activate regular updates, locate the settings or notification options within the tool. Enable the feature for automated updates and set your preferred frequency. Make sure to save any adjustments you've made to the settings. Now, you are set to receive updates regularly on your on-page SEO performance. Periodically check back into the tool for tailored suggestions and ongoing optimization guidance. This will ensure your site stays competitive in search engine results. Congratulations, you have successfully activated the Semrush on Page SEO Checker for updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.